Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today I've got a 1972 Ford F250. This casting is by M2 and I don't have a lot of M2 in my collection. If you look, it's 8,000 pieces worldwide, so it's kind of a collectible, I would say. There's a limited number run. It looks nice. I have some M2s and they always look nice. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So if you take the blister off, it's actually under a display case, and as usual, like most of the casting, it has screws in the base. So let me take those off and then we'll have a quick look at the casting. So here's a quick look at the F250. Definitely a good looking casting, has got quite a heft to it, so it's heavy. I think it comes with a metal base. Let's deep dive into it and look at all the details. So here's the 1972 F250 Custom by M2. Obviously you can look at it and tell it's a custom, it's not a standard truck with the paint job actually. And then there are a lot of good details. So I'm going to start from the front. So on the front you can see you've got a detailed front end with headlamps, detailed grille, turn indicator and a chrome badge. Ford written on the hood, gets the windshield wipers but no mirrors. I don't know why. In 72 they had at least one mirror. It has opening hood, so if you open it up, I don't know, it's spring loaded or what, it just want to shut down, so it might be spring loaded. But you can see the engine there, it's detailed, it has got nice, let me just turn it this way. So nice details there. I don't know if my camera does a justice to it because it doesn't open all the way, so it's hard to see it from this camera angle. But it's painted blue, there is a battery and there is some other stuff, looks like a fuse box. So some details there. See, it just goes back. So let me shut it down. Now moving to the driver's side, back to the driver's side. Two-tone paint looks good. You got some badges here. Chrome trim goes around the bottom, chrome trim around the window, chrome door handle, and you can see the fuel filler there, cap, not the door, the old style. I like the paint, the gold and black combination looks good. You got turn indicators on the back too and another chrome trim. Also from the side you can see these rails on the bed, which looks good. Rubber tire, those nice looking wheels, and they are really chunky rubber tires, so it has a raised height. I don't know if you can figure out from this stance, it's slightly raised compared to regular F250. Now coming to the back, so you've got the classic Ford tailgate with Ford written there, silver paint. I don't think it's chrome, it might be a silver paint. A detailed tail lamp, a chrome bumper with 1972 number plate. Bed is finished in black like most of the trucks, and you have a chrome trim around the rear window too, which looks good. Back to the passenger side, looks almost identical. Few differences though. No fuel filler on this side and looks like a toolbox there. I don't know if it's actually a toolbox or for something else, but it's there. Interior is finished in black. I'm gonna try to show you, there's some details. So if you look, the steering wheel is actually really nicely done. It's not like what you see on normal casting. It looks more like an actual steering wheel. Sadly the camera angle doesn't work. Has got a bench seat, everything is in black. This is how it looks from the top, and this is how the base looks. So base has some details on it, and it's they're using screws instead of rivets. So if you want to add more details, you can do that. And something interesting, the wheels are purple from inside. They don't look the same way from outside, from inside they are purple. So overall, in my short experience with M2, I feel they do good details castings, and they always do something different. Like they don't do standard. I think most of their product is like custom, some kind of custom product. But this F250 is a good looking one, and I think if you are into older trucks, older American trucks, you will like it. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.